Spring is here.
And that means turkeys.
Let's make one.
Everybody knows that turkeys symbolize the beginning of spring.
Ah yeah, that's right. Because they wake up after their deep winter sleep, which is also known as hibernation.
That's a little bit off, because turkeys don't hibernate, they grow out of the ground, like Christmas trees.
But Christmas is in winter, we're talking about spring.
Speaking of winter, I love drinking hot chocolate with marshmallows after dinner.
I think we're getting off topic here.
Oh right. Fold the sides to the center, then think about how delicious turkeys are with a side order of fried rice and sliced carrots.
Yes, don't forget the macaroni and cheese. I mean actual mac and cheese, not the boxed powdered nonsense.
Now fold the paper like this, then do a little bit of this, then a little bit of that. I'm sorry, what were we talking about?
We were talking about how turkeys hibernate in the winter, just like goldfish and head lice.
Oh yeah, thanks. Now turn the paper over or something, then fold it some more like, where you can always go back and start over.
This video is so informative, don't you think? I'm sure the viewers are having a very easy time following along.
But we should be careful, or someone else will not recommend this channel if we start arguing.
Why would we start arguing?
No reason. Now let's make the turkey wings. Turn it upside down, and make the neck and head. After you do that, you will spread the wings.
There's our beautiful turkey. Thanks for watching.